Easter is always celebrated in spring. But have you ever wondered why? Why is Easter connected to flowers, light, and new life? In this video, we will explore the deep connection between Easter and nature. First of all, spring and new life connection. Spring is a season of renewal. After a long winter, nature begins to wake up. Trees bloom, flowers grow, and life returns. Easter shares the same message. It reminds us that new beginnings are always possible. Why Easter follows nature? Easter is not only a religious celebration, it is also deeply connected to the natural world. Just like spring follows winter, Easter represents hope after hardship and light after darkness. Symbols from nature. Many Easter symbols come directly from nature. Eggs represent new life. Flowers represent growth. Light represents hope. These symbols remind us that life is always moving forward. Why this message matters today? In today's fast world, Easter offers a moment of reflection. It reminds us to slow down, appreciate growth, and believe in renewal. Just like nature heals itself, people can also heal and begin again. Modern Easter celebrations. This is why modern Easter celebrations focus on nature, soft colors, and simple decorations. Easter is not about excess, it is about balance, peace, and quiet joy. Easter and spring share the same message. No matter how long the winter feels, new beginnings always arrive. Thank you for watching.